Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to paste into multiple cells in Google Sheets. This is a really handy skill that saves you tons of time when you need to copy the same data across different parts of your spreadsheet. Let's jump right into it. First up, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, sign into your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard where all your files and applications are stored. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to paste data into multiple cells. This will open up your Google Sheets file and you'll be ready to start working with your data. Now, let's start with the basics. Click on any cell that contains the data you want to copy. Once you've selected that cell, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. This stores the cell's content temporarily so you can paste it wherever you need. Here's where it gets useful. To paste this data into multiple cells at once, click and hold your mouse button, then drag across all the cells where you want the data to appear. You can drag horizontally, vertically, or even create a rectangular selection. Once you've highlighted all your target cells, simply press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste. The data will instantly fill all those selected cells, saving you from having to paste into each one individually. But what if you need to paste into multiple cells that aren't next to each other? Google Sheets has you covered there too. Start by clicking the cell with your data again and pressing Ctrl+C to copy it. Now here's the trick for non-adjacent cells. Click on the first cell where you want to paste the data. Then while holding down the Control key on your keyboard, click on each additional cell where you want the same data to appear. You'll notice each cell you click gets highlighted. Once you've selected all your target cells, press Ctrl+V to paste. The data will appear in all those selected cells at once, even though they're in completely different locations on your spreadsheet. This technique is incredibly efficient when you're working with large spreadsheets and need to duplicate values across various sections without copying and pasting repeatedly. And that's it. You now know how to paste data into multiple cells in Google Sheets, whether they're grouped together or scattered across your spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.